Good morning. The hidden tax benefits of owning your practice's real estate. And for many doctors, dentists, and healthcare professionals, owning the building where they practice isn't just about control and stability, but it's one of the smartest tax strategies available in commercial real estate. In a time when inflation, rising rents, and tax pressure are eating into profits, purchasing your practice property can unlock multiple layers of financial advantage, from depreciation to deductions and wealth building through equity. And don't forget about cost segregation. Let's break down how owning your medical or dental office can create long term financial leverage for you. And here's how. First, being depreciation, a powerful, often overlooked write off. When you buy commercial real estate, the IRS allows you to depreciate the building, not the land itself, but the building, the structure, over 39 years. That means a portion of your property's value can be written off annually, which significantly reduces your taxable income. Less income, less taxes. Woohoo. So here's an example. If your building, excluding the land, is valued at, say, $1 billion, you can typically deduct 25,600 per year in depreciation. And even better, with cost segregation, certain building components like your HVAC, your lighting, your plumbing, medical or dental setups in the building can be depreciated over shorter periods, often increasing write offs dramatically in the early years of the loan. Number two, you rent to yourself and you deduct that from income. If your practice operates as a separate entity, think LLC or S Corp, it can lease the space from your real estate holding company. And this strategy creates a deductible business expense for the practice while also generating rental income via a real estate entity, effectively shifting profits from ordinary income into passive income, which is taxed at lower rates. And that's always fun. This move also builds equity in your property instead of enriching a landlord. You could be the landlord then. Number three is interest and expense deductions. So, commercial property owners can typically deduct mortgage, interest, property taxes, maintenance for the building, insurance, and even professional fees related to the management of the building. And over time, these deductions can significantly offset ownership costs, meaning your property often costs less to own than to lease once taxes have been factored in. And I like spending less. I don't know about you. Number four, you have the opportunity for a 1031 exchange where you can defer your taxes when you sell. And when you eventually sell your property, a 1031 exchange lets you roll the profits into another commercial property without paying capital gains taxes immediately. This allows you to upgrade into a larger or more profitable asset, compounding your wealth without a major tax hit. And that sounds nice. Number five is long-term wealth control, or excuse me, long-term wealth and control. So, beyond the tax perks, owning your practice real estate gives you control over your destiny. No unforeseen rent hikes, no forced relocations, and you have an asset that appreciates and can fund your retirement or succession plan. Many physicians and dentists use their property as part of a retirement portfolio, leasing it back to younger practitioners when they step away from daily operations. It'd be nice to collect some rental income in the future. Think about that. So, here's some final thoughts for the day. Owning your practice real estate isn't just about stability, it's about strategic wealth creation. Now, with smart structuring and guidance from a qualified CRE advisor, you can transform your office space into one of your most powerful financial assets. And if you're ready to explore your ownership options, let's talk about financing strategies, SBA 504 and 7A loans, and physician loan programs designed specifically for healthcare professionals. And the easiest way to connect with me is just visit my site, houstonrealestatebrokerage.com. It's a mouthful, but it's very effective. Please schedule a consultation there and we can talk more. That's it for the day. Have a good one.